Hi there, this is our Fexac UP milling machine, horizontal milling machine with a right angle head on it. This came from a university and is in really good condition. It hasn't done any real work at all over its lifetime from what I can see, and yeah, it's just top quality and very nice. Now from new, they decommissioned a few things electrically on the mill, which I've recommissioned. One was they decommissioned the electrical counter rotation of the spindle, so the students couldn't put it in the anti-clockwise position. They decommissioned the rapids on it, so they wouldn't work, and also decommissioned the coolant system. So I've recommissioned all of that stuff. They've fitted a halogen light on it at some stage, and some nice levelling feet, etc. So we'll start from the back. It does come with the arbor and the through bolt for that horizontal arbor and the two supports, and also a through bolt for that right angle head. Back's really tidy, under that cover there is really tidy, and you know, you've got your controls up here for your feed, etc. The right angle head that's fitted has got the single axes on it, and the head support for swivelling that out the way, and then they've got a right angle attachment that goes on under here to convert that to a universal head, and you basically take these bolts off and drop them down through there. That's a really nice setup, and those have never been used. And you've got your climb milling control there, your feed gearbox, which has got a clutch in it there, and your control cabinet over here. Alright, well, we'll go through things. So that table's really nice to move, and it's got absolutely no play there at all. And the cross travel's really nice to move, and a little bit of play there. And the knee up and down is very nice to move, again, and no play there. I will take that off so I don't get clobbered. This handle here moves in for when you're rapiding. That light's working. So we've got a switch here for inching. So there it is, inching in the clockwise direction, which is position 1, and if I turn the switch to position 2, it means that I can go and operate the setup here. So I can start that, which is clockwise, or turn it to anti-clockwise there. So that's that spindle. I'll turn the feed motor on. That's the feed motor ticking over there, and the table coming towards me at the moment, and I'll move that into the opposite direction. It's going there. I'll rapid that across, so that's rapiding across there and back again, and I'll rapid that back again the other direction. So here's the cross feed going in and back out towards you, and I'll rapid that, so that's rapiding towards you, going in there, and I'm rapiding it in. I'll engage that feed going up on the knee, and I've got that in quite it's down. Oh, it hit the stop. That stop for the knee is set quite low, so it can't go up. So that's going down, and I'll rapid that down, and I'll rapid it down a bit more, and now I'll feeding that up and rapiding that up. Those wee feed stops, limit stops are set there, which kick that out. So those are the feeds and the rapids. It goes in and out nice and really smooth and quiet. I'll stop that. That's the wee coolant pump. You can hardly hear that. Yeah, it's never been used before, but that's running there. Okay, we'll take you through the speed range. We're in a A120. I was in there. I won't take you through every one. I'll speed you up a little bit there. I'll take you into the B range. So that's B170. And 230. Might be just as easy for me to inch it from here. 320, 410. Take you into the C range. So that'll be 600. 865. 1140. And last one to go, 1500, that's its top speed. Oh, I've got to switch that onto one. Sorry, two. So that's its top speed there, 1500. So those are the speeds there. It's nice to select, easy to move in and out, it's quiet, it ticks over nicely. And that's probably all there is to show. It's got the locks on it. It's very, very original, very, very tidy. It's still got the original mat over the back, the rubber cover, protecting those slideways, etc. So yeah, very, very tidy. I've reinstated that coolant system and the rapids, etc. And yeah, it's a beautiful, good quality wee mill.